Florida Articles of Organization. Starting a business in the Sunshine State? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to file the Articles of Organization to officially form your Florida LLC step by step. Step 1. Preparing to file. Before you hit submit, here's what you'll need to gather beforehand in documentation. Your LLC name. Your business name must be unique and must include LLC or limited liability company. Want to make sure it's available? Head over to the Florida Division of Corporations website and do a quick name search here. Check out the quick links below for the link. Effective date. Do you want your LLC to go in effect right away or on a specific date? You can choose any date up to 5 business days before or 90 days after you file. Business address. This is your LLC's main address. You'll need a real physical street address, not a PO box, to stay compliant and project credibility. Sure, it can be your home address if you're running a business from home, but don't you want to protect your privacy? That's where VirtualPostMail or VPM steps in. Here's why it's a smart move. With VPM, you get a real commercial address located in a VPM-owned Florida building. Use the address on your business filings, website, invoices, and marketing materials, giving your business a professional image, polished presence that helps you meet legal requirements, gain customer trust, and keep your personal details private. It's a long-term address, even if you move. Because the address is tied to a VPM-owned property, you won't lose your business address if you relocate. It's ideal for digital nomads, remote teams, and growing companies that need consistency. Protect your privacy. Keep your home address off public records, state filings, and client communications. VPM shields your personal information while giving your business a public-facing location that builds trust. VPM gives you a reliable business address and mailroom in one, without the cost or hassle of a physical office. Registered agent. Florida's Department of State requires every LLC and corporation keep a registered agent on file to receive lawsuits, tax notices, and other official documents at a Florida street address during normal business hours. Most providers stop at simply signing for those papers. VPM does much more and costs much less. Here's why VPM is a smarter choice. You get a free registered agent service, skip the $100 plus annual fees most places charge. VPM includes registered agent coverage for every Florida business you own at no extra cost. Commercial business address. Use VPM's Florida address on public records, websites, and invoices while keeping your home address private. You get real-time legal mail scans. Same-day high-resolution PDFs of served documents mean you never miss a deadline. And additional mail perks. Forward letters and packages, deposit checks, and store originals securely all through VPM. Feeling confident? Let's file and make it official. Step 2. Filing the Articles of Organization. You have 2 ways to file your Articles of Organization in Florida. Online, this is the fastest and easiest method. Just visit the Florida SunBiz e-file portal and fill out the form electronically. I'll leave the link in the description. Prefer paper? You can file by mail. Download the Articles of Organization form, fill it out, and mail it with your $125 filing fee to Florida Division of Corporations, P.O. Box 6327, Tallahassee, Florida 32314. Make sure everything's accurate before submitting. Even small mistakes can cause delays in processing. Step 3. After you file, what comes next? Congratulations! Now that your Articles of Organization are approved, don't go anywhere yet. There are a few important next steps. Get an EIN. You'll need this from the IRS to open a business bank account, hire employees, and file taxes. Even single-member LLCs should get one. It's free and just takes a few minutes online at irs.gov. I'll leave the link down below. Create an operating agreement. This is not required by Florida law, but highly recommended. It lays out how your LLC is run and helps prevent disputes down the road. Finally, file your annual report. This keeps your LLC in active status. It's due between January 1st and May 1st every year. You can file online at the SunBiz Annual Report portal. Taking these next steps will help you stay compliant, organized, and ready for growth. Step 4. Additional things to keep in mind. Depending on your business type, there are a few more things you might need to take care of. Licenses and permits. Make sure you check if your business needs state or local licenses. A good place to start is the Florida Department of Business and Professional Regulation. Taxes. The Florida Department of Revenue has great resources to help you figure out what applies to your business. And finally, business insurance. This one's optional but smart. Consider getting liability or property insurance to protect your business. Every business is a little different. Taking care of these now helps you avoid headaches later. And that's it. Now you know how to file your Articles of Organization and officially start your LLC in Florida. Be sure to check out our video on forming a Florida LLC next. Learn more.